How to change the time zone in Google Calendar. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change your time zone in Google Calendar. So in order to change your time zone in Google Calendar, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you have to go and log in or open up your Google Calendar. And when you open up your Google Calendar, it's going to take you to this page. So right on this page, you have to go and tap the tab bar icon from the top right, scroll down right to the bottom and go to settings. As you click on settings over here, this is how it's going to look like. So you can go to the general from the top, and here you can go ahead and manually turn on the button that says use device. If you have toggled on the button, then you can use the time zone. Now if use device time zone is on, your time zone will update automatically as you travel. So that's basically how you can change the time zone in Google Calendar. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.